Here's how I was able to convert my portfolio from a Google Drive folder to a fully functioning portfolio site with clickable links with all my works on display. It makes me look more serious and more professional to my clients. All you need is ChatGPT and an AI tool called Lovable. You can be on both free plans, but if you're on the paid plan of Lovable, it will make this a lot more easier for you.
This used to be my portfolio. So just a Google Drive folder that has everything, branding, flyers, product labels, YouTube thumbnail, it just had everything. All the projects I've ever worked on, neatly arranged, actually, neatly arranged. But then I went from this to this. Yes, and this is a portfolio site. It is live. You can visit this link right now. I can send this link to anybody, and you would be able to click and view my work. You can view my designs. You can view my video edits. You can view anything. And the interesting thing is that any changes I make on the drive, if I create a new folder here, it's going to reflect on this place. All I used was Lovable and AI tool. Now, this is what Lovable is. Lovable is simply a prompt to site or prompt to site builder. Yes. So you just type what you want it to do here and it will get it done. I use the same Lovable to build this tool called Coachwrite that you can use to know what you should charge for projects. Yes, of course, this one did not take me a single prompt. It took me series of prompts. It took me series of prompts to build this. It took me a while. It took me days. We're not even done building it yet. But that's by the way. So yes, I was able to use Lovable to create this, and I actually used a single prompt in collaboration with ChatGPT. So the first thing you want to do is have your Google Drive folder ready, have it arranged, have everything in place as it should be. It would help you if the folders are named accordingly. Now, secondly, you go to Lovable, you create an account. I already have an account in them. So you want to create an account. Then when you get here, you go to connectors, click on connectors. You would see different connectors. Click on Google Drive. You click on Google Drive. As you can see, mine is showing connected here. So all you have to do is click on add connection and it will ask you to grant permission to your Google Drive. So just make sure that the permission you are granting is to the Google Drive that has the stuffs that you need. Now, the permission you are granting will not allow you to be able to delete things. It can't delete, it can't edit, it can only view and collect. So it's safe. It's pretty safe, very safe. Right. So after you're done connecting that, now you want to use this prompt, which ChatGPT actually gave me. I developed the prompt using ChatGPT, and I can share you the prompt. Just let me know if you need it, and I'll send it over to you. Okay. So this is the prompt right here. It's a very long prompt. I asked ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT the question. I said, "Quick question. After." Oh, that's not it. So I asked ChatGPT this question one evening, one Wednesday evening. I said, I have my portfolio on a Google Drive and some on a PDF file. I want to convert it to a website using Lovable. Is it possible? He said, yes, it is possible. And then I showed it my PDF, I showed it the Google Drive and all of that, and all of that, and all of that. And then um I said, I want that. Give me the final comprehensive prompt to place into Lovable that achieves that. And we went on and on. ChatGPT likes to talk too much. So it still went on and talked and talked and talked. And after everything, it gave me this prompt, its final prompt for Lovable. And then all I did was that I copied this prompt, came to my Lovable after I have connected Google Drive, and then I simply pasted it here. And we have this. So this is what the site looks like. This is it. Um, in fact, this was the first time I pasted the prompt. So if you want the master prompt that you can give to ChatGPT and it's going to give you your own ready custom made prompts, just let me know and I'll send it to you. But this is the prompt, the first prompt. Now, Lovable has a paid tier and a free tier. On the paid tier, you get limited credits. So it might take you a while to really get things done. As you can see, after the first day, there were issues, but see what it says. Lovable can fix this without using additional credits, but it will pause, all of that. So it took me maybe 2 days or 3 days to really get this complete site going. And this is the preview. This is the tablet view. This is the mobile view. This is just the preview of it. So changes you make here will appear here. And when you're done, you click on publish right here. Any changes you make, you publish changes. So I've not made any changes. And you can edit this to whatever domain you want. You can even add a custom domain. if you're on their pro plan. Um, and after that, you're really good to go. So any changes you make on your Google Drive, you can come here and let him know that, oh, I made changes on my Google Drive, effect the changes on the site, and it will really do that. If you want to change the color, whatever you want to do, all you need to do is be very good at prompting. And I hope this helps. See you in the next one.